that dock there. You can see the water was up probably 6 feet just yesterday. And just in 5 hours, the water dropped like 5 feet. Yesterday I came over here to get to the ramp. Just gonna kind of roll around here while the water's still up. So buzz bait, see what we can do. Guy. A perch. Here we go, boys. First fish of the day. We got a perch. Down river, but they bite. Gonna look at the weather real quick, boys. Here's thunder. I don't know which way it's going. It's looking pretty dark off that way. It's iffy. Looks like it's gonna miss us, but text from Brett Stearns. He says, "Hey, this is Brett. Have you been to the river? Is the parking lot and ramp still flooded?" And say, "Nope, I'm down here now." Alright, we're going to go down to a pretty shallow spot that I've tried. I'm going to turn the camera off, so I'll turn it back on when we get there. Oh my gosh, did you guys see that on video? That was nice. I'm looking at the bait. That might be the guy we missed earlier. Guy. I don't think that may not have been. But I don't know a lot. I think a lot bigger. We got it on video. Yeah, he jumped out of the line.